Very excited. Thank you so much, Legal Shield. Shout out to John Malott and Darnell Self. Last 60 days have been amazing. I know this is just the first step from a long journey of helping as many people as possible nationwide have adequate legal coverage. So thank you so much, Legal Shield, for everything that you're doing for everyone in the communities. Thank you.
Well, I get to do something really fun right now, and that is talk about our Platinum Legacy program. This is a program we launched in 2025 to show big appreciation for the leaders who have built legacy businesses in Legal Shield. Some of these businesses have been around for 20 years, 25 years, 30 plus years. And let me just share with you some of the leaders who we have already recognized in the Platinum Legacy program. Brian and Melissa Carruthers, Darnell and Tracy Self, John and Darcy Hoffman, Mark and Denise Brown, Michael Dorsey, Mike Humes, Nick and Gail Serba, and Steve, Mike, and Kim Milia, who we just recognized as new members of the Platinum Legacy program while we were in Ireland for the COC trip in September of 2025. And so really excited to already have these great leaders of the company. And what do you have to do to be a Platinum Legacy member? Well, I mean, think about what these organizations have done, what these leaders have done. They must have qualified for a Platinum Executive Director for over 150 months. So number one, that is a huge accomplishment. Their organizations, listen to this, have written over $150 million in annualized premium. $150 million in annualized premium. So 150 months at Platinum, but not just that, they've built huge organizations that have really changed the trajectory of this company over the last 25 years. And that's why we wanted to recognize